Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my Partners in Cream 2021 update that was set up by myself and DaLin, who I think is bloody a wonderful human being. She will be linked up below. Oh my god, she'll be linked up there and down below, so do check her out and say hi to Bo, her husband, as well. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this time, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'll have all of the rules linked down below, okay? They're not really rules, they're just guidelines, if you will. And I'm personally working on 5 products at a time. There is a quarterly refresh. I'm electing to do it today. I'm filming this video on the 2nd, so 8 days early, because on the 8th, I'm getting wisdom teeth surgery, following suit with Christina Chang, and three of them are impacted. I don't really know how that's gonna go, but anyway, so I'm just doing it early. So we have 2 empties today, and then 3 with progress, and then we'll be rolling into at the end. So let's just start with the empties. So the first one is my nail varnish. I finished it. It's all gone. Oh my god, the lines are marked off it. It was here, it was up to here the last time. Sorry. I had to start pouring it. I started pouring it out onto like a lid and using it, but like, what do people do? It was so thick and streaky, but I just couldn't leave it there, you know? But it was so thick and it was so streaky that it was horrible on. So what do you do? But anyway, I still finished it. I used every single bit of it, keeping the bottle to use, okay? The second one is a very shocking one, okay? I rolled in an eyeshadow called Acapulco, an eyeshadow from here. This is the Makeup Revolution Chilled with Cannabis and Sativa. There are 2 shades in here that look like a super shock, feel like a super shock shadow. I will put a picture of it there. There was no pan in it. My goal was to hit pan. There was no pan in this whole palette, and I was like, which of the 2 shades will I pick? So I picked that particular shade. There was no pan in the palette. Now guys, I hit 3 pans in here. What is going on? Yeah, I hit 3 pans. I will take pictures of all 3 of the pans, and I almost have a 4th in here. So I do. Oh god, lads, I love this palette. It's like 10 quid, if even. These 2 shades. Couldn't pick which one should I pan, so I picked this one, but then once I hit that, I was like, well, I go for it. Like, we'll see what happens. It's beautiful. I love this palette, and the glitter, I use it as a liner, actually. I put an eyeshadow down and then I topped it with this. So beautiful. Love this entire palette. And I hit pan on her, and I use like literally every shade in here before I put it away. This Cam shade is really nice. I really like it. I enjoy this. I enjoy this very much. This is a nice blending shade that kind of worked really well with my Subculture palettes. So this is going back finally into my drawer. So the last time I had rolled back in this Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette, and if I have a picture, I'll show you there. I don't think I do because it was just the cream shade. My goal is to use the blush, the deep shade, 20 times, and I've used it 11 times now, so I need to use it another 9 times to hit my goal. Danny, I think she said she hit pan on hers at 126 or 127 uses. I think I'm hovering around 40 at the moment. I think. So once I hit 20 uses, I'm going to roll it out, roll something else in. I'll keep rotating and get there eventually. I just don't want to get sick of it. I do have it on today. It's a very in-your-face shade. Sorry for like coughing all up in your face. But anyway, I have 9 more uses to go on that. The 2 final shades are actually pencil products. One is a lip liner from MAC. It's called Whirl. And the other is this one that I had on a chopping block, and it's from Smashbox. It is a cream highlight. And I should have really sharpened it. I'll have a picture there, hopefully, of both. So you'll see. So the Smashbox one, this one went down hugely, but the lip liner did not go down much at all. I use this around my nostrils and on any pimples, which I seem to have on my chin from the whole mask situation. It's garbage. I love their contour stick, but I just don't like this. But I'm happy I used so much of it because it will be gone. It's just too creamy and putty, like it doesn't do anything. Like it covers it, but it just moves. And then this pencil I absolutely love. I love sharpenable lip liner pencils. I like a drier formula, not dry, not creamy. in the middle but closer to dry. And I'm loving it, and I was using it last year the entire year, and I'm using it now, and I love it. And I only use it a small bit, but every single time I wear makeup that I put this on, so I don't know. And I wore makeup 19 times in March and 24 times in February. Now for rolling in. Would you believe I haven't even thought about this? Okay, I have my 2 products here, and one is rearing its head back into Project Pan world. Haha! This is my, I was gonna say Natasha Denona. This is my Huda Beauty Pink Sands Edition 3D highlighting palette. I really love this palette. I've put it in a favorites last year. Like, it's not that the formula is outstanding or anything like that. It's just I enjoy the colours in here, and they all work for my skin tone, and it makes me happy. And isn't that the point? It was like 45 quid. Here it is, okay? I will take a picture close-up of this bad boy, this cream, and I want to finish this. This is going to be in to finish. We're not going to rush. We're not going to do anything extra, use any extra product. We're going to use what we need when we need it, because I really enjoy it. It's a subtle glow. It is a stiffer cream, so it smells fine. I don't think it ever smelled fully fine, but like, you know, it's fine. It's fine. It's here. It's like a it's a lovely subtle shade. I remember really enjoying this in work because it was like, yes, I have a slight glow there, but do I? I don't know. I really like it. I use it under things and I use it on its own. Lately I had been liking it on its own, but it's going to come in to finish it. God, it's going to take forever. I don't care though. I really like it. So that's coming in. The next one I'm going to roll in is this. This is the eyeshadow primer. I'm out of America. This is my eyeshadow primer I got from Elaine. And it's up to here. There's only 2 mils in this, and I love it. I love it. It's the only primer for eyes that I have at the moment that has a bit of a yellow to it. So when I finish it, I'm going to have to use other things, but I prefer the yellowy bit. But anyway, now I have permission, so this is coming into this project. Well, that was really quick. So make sure to check out the playlist. I can't wait to binge on that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope the weather is making you feel a bit better, because surely it has to be brighter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.